This fuel system cleaner is well regarded among technicians for how thoroughly it scrubs injectors, intake valves, ports, and combustion chambers in a single treatment. Regular use can noticeably smooth out rough idle, hesitation, and stalling issues in engines that have started to feel sluggish from carbon buildup. Many drivers see a return of lost power and responsiveness after a cleaning cycle, especially on higher mileage vehicles that have never had the fuel system serviced. It is formulated to work safely with modern direct injection gasoline engines, which are particularly prone to stubborn deposits on injectors and intake areas. The cleaner is compatible with alcohol-blended fuels and typical fuel system materials, so it integrates easily into normal fill-ups without causing component damage. A single container treats a substantial amount of gasoline, making this 3-pack a practical option for servicing multiple vehicles or performing periodic maintenance on one car.